Nature's all around us. The animals, plants, and people are all a part of nature. Artists observe nature by looking really closely at it. One artist that loves to observe nature is Kjell Sandved. He looks really closely at butterfly wings, and he found shapes that kind of look like letters of the alphabet. Let's observe nature too. Look out your window.
Hey there again, artists. It's me, Miss G, and as you can see, I'm outside my home in nature. And I've brought with me my imaginary magnifying glass so that I can look all around at the birds and trees and everything else to see if I can recognize any shapes that remind me of letters of the alphabet. And now it's your turn to give it a try. All you need is your imaginary magnifying glass.
Or use your hands. Can you recognize any of these letters? Another option is using some things from outside. You can use rocks or sticks to make a letter. Try making a word. Can you spell your name out of nature?